Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about crypto.com Crocoin. The overall crypto markets, we're kind of chopping around, just consolidating, and I want to give a overall view on the macroeconomics of the world and what that means for crypto. So let's hop into this video, guys. We are at 6,840 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. And at 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away this loaded lion NFT, guys. Super excited to give this away. It's worth about 2,500 bucks. And each month, if you are a YouTube member on the channel, you get 10 additional entries. So let's hop into this video, guys. So right now, we're basically trading to the side. It looks a lot uglier than it actually is. I mean, we're still above 22,500. That's fantastic. Ethereum, 1,545. Huge. You know, we're down 5%, but guys, we have been having a crazy run up in the market. I mean, this is great consolidation, honestly. And, you know, it looks red, but in reality, we came up like on Bitcoin. I think we came up from the bottom of like 16,000 to 23,000, and now we're only down about 500 bucks. You know, this is very good, very good. We got those weekly candle closes above 19,500 on Bitcoin, so I'm looking for some bullish continuation. So let's look over at Crocoin before we get a little bit deeper into the overall markets. But yeah, guys, we broke out of this little triangle I have right here. It looks like we're still trying to consolidate a little bit. We need to get a little squeeze. I mean, there's definitely a chance here that we do some of this and then get a little bit of that. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if we retest this right here at the 0.0682 cent mark on Crocoin if we continue to move to the downside or have a more of a consolidation. We do need a squeeze here shortly based on this formation here. I mean, we could get a squeeze to the top. You know, all it takes is some overall bullish or dovish talk from the Federal Reserve or the FOMC meeting, and or some, you know, we're still in a data-driven market. We really are. We're not so much emotional as we trade based on hearing what the CPI numbers are, how high they're going to raise the interest rates. You know, we're very data-driven market right now, so it's just very it's we just need to keep our ears to the data, and the market kind of does what the data says, which can be tricky because it can be kind of difficult to predict what the data will be. So in a strictly data-driven market, I mean, usually when the markets are a little bit emotional, you can kind of tell and feel the sentiment in the market based on what's going on in different social media platforms or the overall mainstream media sentiment. It's a little bit easier to tell what's going on. But when in a purely data-driven market, it can get a little bit tricky. But, you know, that isn't going to be how it's going to be forever, guys. But that is what we are in right now based on the current macroeconomic times. But I think that there's a good chance that we come down here and retest the 0.0682 cent mark on Crocoin. But I will say if Bitcoin continues to consolidate above 19,500 and we get a move to the upside, or if the S&P 500 breaks back above the trend line that it's in, I think that there is no reason why we don't come up here to 10 cents. And guys, if you want to do a breakout trade on this formation here on Crocoin or Bitcoin, in the description box below, we have some affiliate links to BitGet and Femex and Binance. You can get up to $8,000 sign-up bonus with BitGet if you open a trade and you deposit onto the platform. There's lots of free money to get, so if you guys want to do that, feel free to do that in the description box below. But let's move on over to the S&P 500 because, you know, I am watching this line right here like a hawk, this resistance line, because, guys, this is such a make or break moment. Like, we need to break above this, and we need to stay above this. We need to get some bullish divergence here because we are just testing this resistance level over and over and over again. It's relentless. But, you know, we did get a little bit of a rejection off of it. So I wouldn't be surprised if we chop around up here, maybe even above. I don't think we'll come back to this point right here on the S&P 500 or the 3,800. I think that we're going to be doing more of this just grinding out at the top of this resistance level for the rest of the week. And next week will be kind of another make or break moment. Will we come down, or will we actually finally break above this resistance level? We need to break above this resistance level to get a good risk on asset rally for the money on the sidelines to say, okay, now's a good time to be entering this. But keep in mind, we could also totally get a fake out. We could totally get a fake out, but based on, I really do see that all trading is statistics and probability. And if we break above this and you couple that with a dovish FOMC meeting, we're going to have a risk on asset rally. We're going to have a risk on asset rally. And that means that Bitcoin continues to go to the upside. CRO continues to go on the upside. You guys know the drill. We are making great candle closes, great daily candle closes above this. I love to see it. The 19,500. We're making good candle closes above it. And I was saying on the live stream with Crypto Kip yesterday, I wouldn't even be that worried if we came down here and touched the 19,500 and retested it as support. Turn the resistance into support. I wouldn't be surprised at all, and I think that'd be all right. I would rather see us stay above 21,800 or 21,262, about that level. But at the same time, I would not be that worried if we came down here and broke through that and tested 19,500. As long as we get the bullish continuation and candle closes above 19,500, I think that we're ready to continue our way to bullish continuation towards the Bitcoin halving. Let's go over the weekly chart here. Guys, we're getting closer and closer. We're getting closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving. And the Bitcoin halving hype has already started, I'm talking about it. I see other crypto YouTubers talking about it. It's starting to happen. It is starting to happen. We're getting closer and closer. And once that happens, guys, it's going to start taking off. We might get a little capitulation event, clean out the leverage, and go up like that. But leading into the Bitcoin halving, 4-year Bitcoin cycle, guys, it's bullish. It's bullish. I'm bullish. Guys, if you stuck around this far, please like and subscribe. And if you like this content, please consider becoming a member. Go in the description box below and click the join button, or on our main page, you can click join right here. And we have lots of cool loyalty badges once you become a member. You'll have this next to your name, these loyalty badges, as well as you're able to use these custom emojis. Got some more emojis coming in the work for our live stream at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time every Tuesday and Thursday with Crypto Kip and I. And also, we have a private Discord that we have that you get NFT alpha, NFT whitelist giveaways, as well as trade signals, and a little bit more one-on-one community talk with Crypto Kip and I. And we're going to be doing weekly and monthly Discord calls, so pretty excited about that. And on top of that, each month you are a YouTube member, you get access to 10 additional entries to this loaded line NFT, guys. We're super excited to give this away. There's going to be lots more giveaways to come. So please like, subscribe now, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.